4 years we're going to get rid of the raised bed, but first we're going to have a big bonfire on the 5th of November. Need more sticks.
Plenty of sticks. So the strawberry plants are going to burn. They're going to be burning in November.
You can put fireworks on as well.
Yeah. You're going to light the fireworks.
Remember last time?
You're going to have light the bonfire.
Yeah, remember last time when you put like the fireworks in a big fire?
Yeah, it exploded.
No, it didn't go off. Fireworks didn't go off.
I kicked it and it went. This will be our bonfire on the 5th of November. Sammy's strawberries will go pop, pop, pop.
And this is all of what we're going to burn on the 4th and 5th of November. And there's more down here.
Yeah, this is the thick wood. This should go on first. At the bottom.
It's the 3rd of November and today I'm going to cover our strawberry trough bonfire with a canvas because it's gonna rain tonight.